Can you love me now? Don't you try to play me. You're gonna lose me. Don't you try to play me. Your ass is fugazi.
Ele é solta o beat que machuca.
Love me. Life is like love. Don't you give up when it gets hard. Just baby play your part. I'ma do everything just to keep ya. Stay solid as a rock. Just made it. Look. You just made it. It's real hot and beautiful out here. Bitch, you said sorry. I could not. But check it out. It's a nice little view out there. That sun. Here, team. Come show them.
We already lit.
Yes. Are you showing out? Damn, I ain't get the memo. I did get the memo. Okay, pop out then. She got the fucking memo. Damn. Bro got the memo. I'm fucking with that fit though you got. That shit real sick. Check it out, y'all. I did not bring the stunner shades today, and I'm shady. Check it. A little slight. I did not bring the shades. It's gonna be very bright today. You know where we going? Hell no. We on the boat.
I'm supposed to hold it like this.
I gotta do you first, Sam. We on the boat.
We on the motherfucking boat.
We just got on the boat. Birthday, look, Captain.
Birthday
Captain,
girl.
did we grab that? She trying to get it situated.
We on the boat.
Y'all see the time. You just landed. You heard me?
Dirty. Hey.
Can't forget him.
Oh yeah, happy birthday. For sure.
The captain.
We got
the
mama on the boat.
Yes, sir. We finna go fishing.
We got mama on the boat. Oh my bad. Oh, I saw didn't even record us. She said green.
We on what?
What kind of party is this?
We got the fishing rod. We got the fishing rod.
We got the captain of the.
Yes, sir. Y'all can't get on our boat.
I know another fish place on that side.
It's beautiful. It's rocking already now. Watch out. Let me sit down.
Yeah, because I'm going to add to
I'm a little scared.
We wait for a couple pieces.
No, but look. Let us loose.
Everybody ain't on the boat yet.
Give it about 5, you know.
It's 5:13.
Fire. I told you book me. Fire pick. On the boat. See the birds on. Go ahead. Take your time.
She getting off the boat. Shut up.
We just released. She said don't be hurt. Captain, take your time now. Watch out now.
Okay.
There you go.
Sit down, mama. Let me try it.
Nice and easy. Take your time. That way. How about go up some?
underneath the thing.
Oh, okay, wait. I see it. I see the thing. It's a little stuff right here, so look, just go back, straight back. Yeah. Okay. No, the other way. The other way. No, I see it right here. So try to go to turn the wheel the other way. Yeah, perfect. Go ahead. Now go back. Go ahead. You out. You good. We out. Yes, sir. Captain, get us out, Captain. Get us out, Cap. Yeah. We out safe and sound.
Yes. They didn't believe in us.
We out.
Gotta have trust.
Take your time now.
Oh, wait, you going back. What's the brakes?
Oh, hold up.
Take your time. Yeah, there we go. Now, whip us that way. Yep. You bag it back. That's perfect. Bag it back. Yeah. We gonna figure it out. Don't worry.
We got it.
Yes.
We got it.
Are we good?
Now go forward. Just don't take off too fast now. Don't take off too fast.
Uh-oh, lock me in now. Uh-oh.
Just got to There we go.
This one, I can't.
Now, and we're off. Now we're going. Now we get our thing with this one. Go ahead. You gotta slow down. Group picture.
Watch out now, you gotta hold it.
I think he said. Oh no, I'm at. Okay. She made me driving the boat.
I gotta get her a drink. Loosen up.
Because when you're in this one. Now, see? We're going fast.
Get that bag up.
Get that.
Get that bag up. Look.
Level it out.
Yeah, we got leveled out.
So somebody need to come back. 6 and 6.
What, do I need to come back there? No, 6 in the front, in the back.
Oh, I ain't making nothing happen. Yo, Bishop, I'm not either. Oh, yeah. Hey, no, get me over here.
Who got the music on their phone?
Yeah, but they got one on the, is it? I see it. I'm not gonna lie.
You cut it off?
Yeah, I want to take a shot first, right? We're doing shots, right?
What you want, a bill? I got
I'm just playing. We ain't live. Yeah, I'm just playing. You got tequila. Buy me.
Yep. Yep.
She in the Marines. She know what to do.
That on video. She saved the beer. She saved the beer. Oh my God. Funny. A big body of water, but no, this would be good.
You gonna keep your shorts on?
No, I'm finna take them off right. Don't go that fast with me, baby. I like it slow. They gon' feel me on the inside.
Hey TJ, you made this?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Two wrongs don't make it right. You better hold yourself accountable. You want to act right for me, baby. Just be grateful for me. You don't see me, don't you see me, baby? I'm the way and the truth and the light. Yeah, yeah. I try not to get too much input. They don't understand the real reason why I'm distracted. Shit, I try to come up out my shell. They don't understand why I'm really out here hustling. Push it to the limit and I prevail. Bitch, I know my worth, you can't take none from me. Smoking on this herb and get higher. Baby, you so fire. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding is the key. Thankful for all them exes, they don't even know me, ay. Can you love me now? Don't you try to play me. You're gonna lose me. Don't you try to play me. Your ass is fugazi.
Ele é, solta o beat que machuca.
Love me. Life is like love, don't you give up when it gets hard. Just baby play your part. I'ma do everything just to keep you. Stay solid as a rock, never gonna stop loving you. Loving you, loving you, loving you. Girl, my mind is open, but to listen, to understand, and to validate how you feel.
Solta o beat que machuca.
I never knew my heart can ever be in need. Asking God what's my purpose when I'm not feeling me. I pray for strength and guidance to bring me peace. Oh, yeah, yeah. Loving you, loving you, loving you.
Ele solta o beat que machuca.
She went up. She said what's been.
Girl, loving you. I just wanna love on you. Love on you. Love on you. Yeah, I'm on.
I'm feeling frisky.
I just wanna love on you. If I love you down, can you love me now? I'm not gonna talk for nothing, baby. Take my advice.